Hello students, good morning to all. So here is today's class, that is law of exponents. So last class we have studied that what is exponent, how we can express in exponent, and about square, cube, then to the power 4, to the power 3 like this, and how we can find out the result from the exponent. So here are some laws of exponent. Let's see what are the laws, and we can see some examples. Okay. You can express the big values, big numbers in exponent. So first see the laws. The multiplying number powers with same base. If base is same. Okay. So what will, if we have to multiply the powers which have same base. If have same base, we have to multiply the powers, then we have to add the exponent. हमें exponent को add करिबा. Like a to the power m into a to the power m, n is how much? A to the power, same base is there, समान base अछि. So what we'll do? We'll add the exponent. Exponent को add कर देवा. m plus n. So here a, m and n are non-zero integers. Okay. A, m, n and are non-zero integers. So let's see one example. 2 square into 3 cube. So 2, 2 both are same base. That's why you will write 2 to the power 2 plus 3. Instead of writing 2 into 2, then 2 into 2 into 2. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead of writing this, you will write 2 to the power 2 plus 3. That is how much? 2 to the power 5. Okay. This one is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much? Instead of writing this number of 2, you can easily write it 2 to the power 2 plus 3. That is how much? 5. Okay. Next you see dividing powers with same base. If there is same base, what will be the division? If we have to divide the powers which have the same base, then we have to subtract the exponent. In division, we will subtract the exponent. So, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So, here a to the power m minus n, because base is same and here division is there, that's why m minus n. Here always m is greater than n. Okay, and a, m, n are non-zero integers. So look at here, a to the power 4 divided by a to the power 3. This one you can write that a to the power 4 by a to the power 3. By this or by this you can write. So this will be what? A to the power 4 minus 3. That is how much? That a to the power 1. This is 8. Okay. We'll check it if this is right or not. 8 to the 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. Here 8 into 8 into 8. So cut it. So how much you are getting? 8. The same answer you are getting. So this is so much easy to do. Okay. Next say taking power of power. Well, if we will take power of power, if we have to take power of power, then we have to multiply the exponents. Okay, so here you will say a to the power m whole to the power n. What you will read? A to the power m whole to the power n. So here a to the power m has exponent, a has exponent a रो exponent कोण m, तापर पूरा whole रो exponent कोण n. So what you will write? A to the power m into n. Okay, example C, 7 to the 7 square whole to the power 10. So what you will write? 7 to the into 2, 7 to the power 2 into 10, that is 7 to the power 20. Like this, a to the power 3 whole to the power 2, that one you can write that a to the power 3 into 2, that is a to the power 6. Like this you can write the power of power, we can express like this, means you will multiply the exponents always. Okay. Next you see multiplying powers with same exponent. If exponent is same, how we will multiply the powers? If we have to multiply the powers where the base is different but exponents are same, then we will multiply the base. यदि base अलगा थिबो exponent same थिबो then what you'll do, if you are multiplying, याको multiply करेगा पड़ो ताहले a and b को तमे means base को multiply कर दो, means a to the power m and b to the power m. एटी देखो base is different but exponent is same, so multiply the base and write to the power m same. Look at here, 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. ताको कौन लिखियो 2 into 3 whole to the power 5. That is how much? 6 to the power 5. Okay. This one, look at here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. You are writing 5 2s are there, then 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6, 3 2. What you will get? 6 to the power 5. Next we will see minus 4m whole to the power 3. So here what you will do? You will multiply, means you will express it like minus 4 into m. Minus 4m means what? Minus 4 into m whole to the power 3. This one you can write it as minus 4 into m into minus 4 into m into minus 4 into m. Then you can write it as, here how many minus 4s are there? 3 minus 4s are multiplied. So minus 4 whole to the power 3 into how many m are there? 3. So m to the power 3. So minus 4 whole m to the power 3 is minus 4 to the power 3 into m to the power 3. Next see, dividing powers with same exponent. If exponents are same and base are different, how will divide? So if we have to divide the powers where base is different but exponents are same, then we will divide the base. Okay, we will divide the base. एटी base को divide करबा. So a to the power m divided by a to the b to the power m. You can write it as a to the power m by b to the power m. This one you can write it as a by b whole to the power m. So look at here, 6 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 5. What you can write as 6 to the power 5 by 3 to the power 5. This one you can write as 6 by 3 whole to the power 5. 6 by 3 is how much? 2 whole to the power 5. Okay. Next example you see, minus 4 by 7 whole to the power 5. So what you can write it as? You can write it as minus 4 whole to the power 5 by 7 whole to the power 5. You can express it as minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. That one by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, so these are the rules for, these are the some rules for exponent. So if multiplying, if same base is there, यदि समान base थिबो ताहले कौन हो? Add the, if you are multiplying the same base, then add the exponent. Exponent को add कर दो. If you are dividing the same base को divide करो ताहले, then you will subtract the exponent. If in multiplication you have same exponent, then multiply the base. And if in a division exponent is same, then divide the base. And power to the power is what? You will multiply the exponent. जदि power तमे जेतेटा power करो, 5 to the power 3 whole to the power 4 whole to the power 6 whole to the power m, like this. What you will do? 5 to the power 3 into 4 into 6 into m. Okay. Next see, numbers with zero exponent 0. जदि 0 exponent थिबो. Okay. So what you will do? 3 to the power 5 by 3 to the power 5. The same base, same exponent. So what you will write? 3 to the power 5 minus 5. Okay. This one you can write at 3 to the power 0. Next, you can write as 3 to the power 5 by 3 to the power 5. Means what? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So, all the 3 will cut. What you will get? You will get 1. Means 3 to the power 0 is 1. Okay. So, when there is 0 exponent, that means the result is 1. So, a to the power 0 is what? 1. 100 to the power 0 is 1. 565 to the power 0 is 1. So, if exponent is 0, the result is 1. Next, we will see numbers with exponent 1. If a to the power 1 is there, means a is not multiplied, that is a. 8 to the power 1 is 8. 100 to the power 1 is 100. The same number. 565 to the power 1 is 565. 3 to the power 1 is 3. X to the power 1 is x. Okay. Next you will see power with negative exponent. If exponent is negative, what you will do? A to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. So make the negative exponent as positive exponent. What you will do? You divide this one with, you will make the inverse. Like a to the power minus 3 is how much? 1 by a to the power 3. Like this you can do. Okay. Negative exponent. Next we'll see one example. 12 to the power 4 into 9 to the power 3 into 4 by 6 to the power 3 into 8 to the power 2 into 27. So this one we can write it as 12 is how much? 4 3 are 12, or you can make it 12 means 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 3 1 are 3, means 12 means 2 into 3 to the power 4. Okay. Into 9 is what? 3 into 3 whole to the power 3. And 4 is what? 2 into 2. Next you write 6 means 3 into 2 whole to the power 3. 8 is what? 2 into 2 into 2 whole square. And 27 is what? 3 into 3 into 3 whole. Okay. Next, we can express it as 2 to the power, here look, 2 square into 3 whole to the power 4. Then you can write it, this one is 3 square. 3 into 3 is what? 3 square whole to the power 3. Here this one is 2 square. Because next, base is same. Next, 3 into 2 whole cube into 2 to the power 3, 2 cube whole square, because here 2 is 3 times multiplied, then 3 cube. Now you see it. Sorry. Here 2 square whole to the power 4 is how much? 2 square whole to the power 4 into this 3 is 3 to the power 4 into here 3 to the power square to the power 3, means what we'll do? We'll multiply. याको multiply करियो 3 to 6, 3 to the power 6 into 2 square. Then you can write it as 3 to the power 3 into 2 to the 3 cube, 2 cube into here 2 to cube whole to the power square. That's why we will multiply 3 into 2. So 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 3. So here we can write 2 to the power 8, because 2 to the power 2 into 4 into 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 2, then 3 to the power 3 into 2 cube into 2 to the power 6 into 3 cube. Now look at here, we'll bring 2 together and 3 together. So base, same base, 2, 2, same base is there. So 2 to the power 8 into 2 square. Then you will write 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 6. Then here also, downside also, you will first bring 2 cube into 2 to the power 6 into 3 cube into 3 to the power 3 cube. Next you look at here, same base is there, means what we will do? We will add it. 2 to the power 8 plus 2 into, here same base is there, means 3 to the power 4 plus 6. Next we will write same base is there, 2 to the power 3 plus 6, same base is there, multiplied, then 3 to the power 3 plus 3. Okay. Next you see here what we get, 2 to the power 10 into 3 to the power 10. Next by 2 to the power 9 into 3 to the power 6. 3 plus 3 6. Now you say here division will be there with same base. Here also division is there with same base. This one we can write it as 2 to the power, here division means we will subtract the exponent 10 to 10 minus 9 into 3 to the power 10 minus 6. This is how much? 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 1 is 2 and 3 to the power 4 is how much? 81. So 2 into 81 is how much? 162. So like this, with the help of exponent, you will easily find out this much big multiplication and division. Okay. Now we can see how we'll express the large number in standard form. Means in what form? In exponent form. So let's see how we can find out. So if we have to write very large numbers, then to make them easy to read and understand, we can write them in standard form using decimals and exponent form. 1.0 exponent from 1.0 to 10. Between this we'll keep the decimals and we'll write the exponent form. So let's see 5985.3. What we'll write? We can write it as 5.985 into 1000, and this one we can write as 985.3 into 10 to the power 3. Like this, 65,950. So we'll make it decimal. It will be below 10 and more than 1. So 1 ru besi rakhibo, 10 ru kam rakhibo. So we'll make it 6.5. So 6.595. So here 5950 is there. So how many numbers we have reduced? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we'll write? Into, we'll write 4 zeros. Then how much we'll get? 6.595 equal to into 10 to the power 4. Like this we can write the big number of this like 70, 040, 000, 000. So always look how many numbers means how many zero means where you are bringing the decimal. Okay. Before how many numbers you are bringing the decimal, that number of zero you will put. Jeteta number पूर्वरु decimal पकेइबो सेतेटा 0 1 ପରେ ପକେଇବ. Okay, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here we will put decimal. So 7.004. Okay, into 9 means 8 10 to the power. Sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 10 to the power 10 means after 10, before 10 number you are putting the point. That's why decimal point. That's why you will put here 10 to the power 10. Like this you can express the numbers, large numbers in standard form. Okay, here already this decimal is there. For this you no need to put 0. But here after decimal 1, 2, 3 numbers you have taken, so you will put 30. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 numbers. Before 4 numbers you are putting decimal point means you will put here 40. Like this you can express in standard form the larger number. Okay. So the mass of Earth or distance between Earth and Uranus, Earth and other planets, you can write it the big numbers in this exponent form, in standard form easily. Okay. So this is about today's class. I hope you have understood. Thank you.